Crimes News Update. Amakuru agezweho yiganjemo ay'ibyaha n'ubwicanyi mu miryango. Missing children. 11 years old Michael Taylor Jr. and 8 years old Diana Taylor are missing from Glendale, Arizona. They were last seen on December 14, 2025 at approximately 5:30 p.m. after walking away from an apartment complex near 64 Drive and Bethany Home Road. If you have any information, you may contact the Glendale Police Department at 623-930-300 or call 911. Abana babiri bavuzwe barangishwa uw'umwaka 11 Michael Taylor ndetse n'uw'imyaka 8 witwa Diana Taylor muri Arizona. Authorities has not named the individual they are calling a person of interest. It is reported that the individual was taken in custody at the Hampton in Coventry, which is approximately 20 miles from the campus. 2 were killed and 9 wounded in yesterday's shooting at the university. Inzego z'umutekano zikaba zataye umuntu zikurikiranyweho kugira uruhare mu kurasa kwabereye muri campus yitwa Brown. Muri iyo campus cyangwa iryo shuri rukuru abantu babiri bakaba barishwe 9 barakomereka cyane. You may read the full story on True Crime Mama. Byinshi kuri inkuru twabisoma ku rubuga True Crime Mama. Mass shooting at Bondi Beach, 11 dead in attack during Hanukkah event. Umwiyahuzi akaba yishe abantu 11 muri Australia. In Australia, shooting at Bondi Beach in Sydney that police say target the Jewish community during a public Hanukkah event. Mu gihugu cya Australia akaba ari umwiyahuzi wishe abantu benshi mu birori by'Abayahudi bita Hanukkah. According to New South Wales police, 11 people were killed and 29 others were taken to hospital, including children, after gunman erupted at the beach where more than 100 people had gathered. 1 gunman was killed. A second suspect is in critical condition. Abantu 11 akaba aribo bapfuye, 29 barakomereka cyane. Umwe mu bicanyi akaba yishwe, undi akaba yakomeretse cyane. At least 2 police officers were among the injured. Abapolisi babiri nabo bakaba bakomeretse cyane. In June, 6 people were arrested in connection with the torture and murder of 23 years old Jacob Sims, a Yuma, Arizona man who was burned. Remains were discovered in November 2024. Mu kwezi kwa gatandatu abantu 6 bakaba barafashwe bakurikiranyweho mu kugira uruhare mu iyicarubozo ndetse n'iyicwa ry'umugabo witwa Jacob Sims wari ufite imyaka 23. Among the arrested there were Gabriel Mills Jr., Daniel Gavino Martinez, Gabriel Mills, Sadie Hyatt, Carla Grimore and Ravone Hill. Abatawe muri yombi harimo Gabriel Mills, Daniel Gavino, Gabriel Mills, Sadie Hyatt, Carla Grimore, Ravone Hill. You may read the full story on True Crime Mama. Ishkuri inkuru twabisoma ku rubuga True Crime Mama. 17 years old Ohio teen mysteriously death still unsolved after 27 years. Umuhungu w'imyaka 17 wasanzwe yishwe hashize imyaka 27 na n'ubu batari hatahurwa uwabikoze. Danny Violet was found dead in Huron County, Ohio cornfield. Renewed efforts are underway to finally uncover what happened. Umusore w'imyaka 17 witwaga Danny Violet akaba yarasanzwe mu murima y'ibigori yapfuye, na n'ubu hakaba hatari hatahurwa icyamwishe. Can read the full story on True Crime Mama. Binshikiri inkuru twabisoma ku rubuga True Crime Mama. A Louisiana man who previously made headlines for publicly criticizing child abuse registry law is facing second-degree murder charge in the death of his infant daughter. Umugabo muri Louisiana wamenyekanye kubera kurwanya ihohotera ry'abana akaba akurikiranyweho kwica umwana we w'amezi 3. In 2023, Christopher Stickland was arrested and booked on charge of second-degree murder and cruelty to a juvenile in connection with the death of his 5-month-old daughter, Louisa Stickland. Mwaka 2023, umugabo witwa Christopher Stickland akaba yaratawe muri yombi akurikiranyweho kugira uruhare mu rupfu rw'umwana we witwaga Louisa Stickland. You can read the full story on True Crime Mama. Byishe kuri inkuru ukabisoma ku rubuga True Crime Mama. A Paducah woman is dead and her former partner is in custody following a deadly shooting at Casey's Bar and Grill early Saturday morning. Umugore wo mu gace ka Paducah yapfuye nyuma y'uko arasiwe mu kabari kitwa Casey's Bar. Witnesses told police that 38-year-old Philip Winter entered the establishment and shot 41-year-old Stephanie Stacy Whitney multiple times before fleeing the scene. Abatangabuhamya bakaba bavuga ko umugabo witwa Philip Whitney yinjiye mu kabari bityo agahita arasa umugore witwa Stephanie Stacy w'imyaka 31 nyuma ahita yiruka. You can read the full story on True Crime Mama. Byishe kuri inkuru ukabisoma ku rubuga True Crime Mama. A 62-year-old man is facing felony charge in Muri County, Tennessee after authorities say he married a teenage girl in another state and brought her back to Tennessee where the marriage is not legally recognized. Umugabo w'imyaka 32 wo muri Tennessee yatawe muri yombi nyuma y'uko yashatse umukobwa utujuje imyaka ukomoka muri Alabama. Nyuma yo gushyingirwana nawe akaba yaramujyanye muri Tennessee. Ariko amategeko yo muri Tennessee ntabwo yemerera umuntu gushaka umwana utujuje imyaka kuko umukobwa yari afite imyaka 17. Read the full story on True Crime Mama. Byinshi kuri inkuru ukabisoma ku rubuga True Crime Mama. Mary Carol McDonnell, 73 years old, has been added to the FBI most wanted list here after she was indicted in a massive fraud case involving tens of millions of dollars. Investigators believe she is currently in Dubai, United Arab Emirates. Umugore w'imyaka 73 witwa Mary Caroline McDonnell akaba yashyizwe ku rutonde rwa FBI rw'abantu bashakishwa cyane na FBI. Bikaba bivugwa ko yaba arahungiye i Dubai acikanye amamiliyoni menshi y'amafaranga. A former television executive who once produced true crime shows is now the subject of international manhunt. Uyu mugore akaba yarahoze akora kuri televiziyo akora kubyerekeranye n'ibyaha, ngubu akaba ari mu bashakishwa cyane ku isi. Can read the full story on True Crime Mama. Byinshi kuri inkuru ukaba wabisoma ku rubuga True Crime Mama. Thank you for your time. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Wakoze kubana nanjye, tekereza cyangwa inyunganizi wanyandikira muri comment yawe kandi like na subscribe urakoze, ugira ibihe byiza.